Hi guys, welcome back to the channel.
Wagwan.
Welcome back Island Tribe.
Yes, ma'am.
It's your girl Maria.
The Island Boys.
Island Boys.
Yeah.
Anyways guys, as you can tell, my voice is getting better. And if you didn't know what was going on with me, it was because I had COVID. If you check out my channel, you'll see me. I was as sick as a dog, but today I'm feeling so much better. I've taken a rat test. The test says that I am negative. So, even though I don't have symptoms, my nose isn't runny, I haven't got a cough, although I do sound funny. But anyway, here we are. We're here in the car. We're about to go do some shopping.
Yeah.
And yeah, so join us. Welcome to the Island family, guys,
Yes,
for another adventure, another day of fun and drama. Not drama. Anyway,
It's the weekend and yeah,
it's
people
the
are
weekend. Yep.
Yeah, man.
So we are here with Island Boy. So anyways, let's go shopping. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on guys, let's go.
There we go. What's that? Gonna go in the trolley? Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. We're here at COLES today and the whole family.
Hey guys.
Yeah, busy weekend Saturday. We're just gonna buy a few stuff that we need.
Yeah.
So that is that.
Come, Bobby.
Here we go.
Let's go. Do you like our tomatoes in the garden?
I can get some. Some of them spoiled.
They're coming off the. Let's pour something else again.
Yes.
We're gonna start off with this here, Mama.
Oh, them take away all my banana them already. Really. This is the price for the banana, guys. Wait a minute. 67 for how much?
A box.
Oh, a box. That's not confused me for a second.
That's weird. That's really expensive.
Yeah.
Actually. I'm just gonna get some tomatoes.
Tomato. Sure. Let me get one. I don't even know if I can buy them mango anymore.
Hey. You know what? We're gonna go home. We're gonna do some of this top.
But even too like them mango anymore. Last one them buy never tastes good.
Do you want? Oh,
Nah.
is that the same one you bought? The Calypso. They're Calypsos.
No, I know, but they look a bit young. Sometimes like they pick them young.
Just exactly like those fruit.
Them not right.
The nectarines are not even right.
Oh
That's
boy.
crazy.
Yeah.
That there, Kensington lemons.
These ones. Yeah, them look better like them did a few years. See how them look? Some of them. Yeah, them soft.
R2D.
Oh, I'm good.
They're good.
Let me see them one. Maybe I'll grab these ones. Yeah, maybe two of these, babe.
See the traditional wear?
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep it.
See all different kind of people here nowadays.
Like a grandma style. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Without being mean. Any carrots?
We have some left. Oh, can get some.
Yeah, grab
This bag?
some. Nah, up there, $1.50.
These ones?
Yeah.
Oh.
No, the ones down the bottom there. Second one. Yeah. Hey, do you want your apple card? Cut it out.
Alright.
My gosh. Fresh bread.
Yeah.
Wait 20 seconds.
Say. Still rubbing his eye.
Yeah. Okay, eye drops when we get home.
No, it's good
No,
iPhone.
I put the eye drops in your eye.
No, don't, Mom.
What do you want to eat today?
Don't know what you feel like.
Mommy,
It's so hard to know what you want.
Yeah, sometimes confusing. You don't know what your stomach feel like.
I don't know what I feel like, to be honest. I've been so bloody cooking. Cook, I don't know what I want.
When I have no chicken at home, so I just grab some.
Mom, I want yogurt.
Grab some chicken when I have none at home.
I want a yogurt, Mom.
We've got a whole lamb at home too. I might just get some mince.
Okay.
What?
Sweet.
What's your
What else are we gonna get?
score?
It's so hard. Oh, that's what I wanted, leg ham.
These ones.
Yeah. Because you can slice them up and make sandwiches. Really nice, but I want a small one. These are too big for us. This is like feeding a whole church, basically, isn't it? Don't they have like small ones?
Right, that's all. That's there.
They have more livers there, cheaper ones. These ones. How much are these? Authentic. 22. Wow, this is better to buy. 22. Oh yeah. 22. Wow, why is it so deep? I think I'll wait 14. You don't eat these.
No, I don't like it.
You haven't. That's why I want to buy a small one, because I can just make sandwiches, you know. That's it. Yeah, let's go. Slice it up nicely.
Yeah.
You need anything else you need?
Sure. Need cornflakes for him as well.
Yeah,
guys,
we need
finish.
cereal, biscuit.
Yeah.
See what they have.
You'll get this open it, Mom.
This now.
Yeah.
You want this now?
Yeah.
We need more tuna.
Yeah, we'll
You
grab
want to grab some? Yeah.
which?
$30.
This one?
Yeah.
Love a few kind of tuna, you know. Get the other one.
They're
So-
down there, you know, in the where the peanuts are in the aisle, babe.
Oh,
So. Juice.
yeah.
Where are we gonna get? Apple blackcurrant. Like blackcurrant. Some biscuits. Just take them to. Oh, no, to
Oh,
the break. The break. We need eggs, babes.
we'll get some.
I'll take green ice cream. I'll take green ice cream. I'll take green ice cream. Mom, I'll take green ice cream. Take green ice cream. Take green ice cream.
Almost.
Yeah, I like hummus. It's good as a snack. Australian butter. Yeah, tuna.
Yeah, get up water.
Cereal. What? You're hungry. Cornflakes. All these cereals. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Endless.
So many $5.
That's the part. Mommy,
Do you want any fruit
mommy,
in the can?
I saw you do
I
it.
hate pink in a fruit in a can. It's just so. Look,
I was never used to that before.
it was like, and I'm
It's,
not going to start now
Yeah.
unless I'm making pizza.
Yeah.
Okay, where are we going to park?
Top one always empty.
Yeah, but you need 12 items or less.
Oh, that's how it works? We have more than 12.
No, less.
Oh, 12.
12 or
Oh.
less.
You know, I never knew that.
Oh, we need toothpaste. Let's go and get toothpaste.
This place.
Hopefully by then the line's empty.
I never knew that all along.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah,
'Cause
they
I
don't
thi-
like you going there, and they don't like us going there.
But you still can, right?
Yeah, but
It's
sometimes
just-
it depends who you get, because some
Oh.
people may be like, oh,
Oh, because
You know.
the time when I did the shopping recently, that's
Yeah.
where I went, but they never said anything to me, so I didn't.
maybe you need deodorant. Yes, you do. Do you?
Yeah.
Down here on the stick. Here.
Good old Monduret, you know?
You like those ones? You like that one? Oh, dear, no. Then they've got this one. I don't know what this one is. Okay, it's in the box.
Babe,
Mm.
babe, I only represent Monduret. Yeah, it's that what it says, what it's. Yeah,
This is brew.
yeah, no.
Oh, but you thought. You're so weird.
Oh, shit.
You're funny.
Yeah. What's up, lad?
Yeah, for sure.
The Sydney talk.
Oh, you've been watching that thing.
Spanian.
They're cute, but they're a lot of work. It is the aftermath.
Yeah.
Here it is. A lot of work. A lot of work. Anyways, alright. Don't kiss him, Maria. You may still have COVID. I like the triple action one. Where's the triple action one? Oh, it's down the bottom there. Bless you.
Let's see.
This one, we don't really need it. Do you need anything else? Spray? No?
Oh, that's good.
You sure?
Yeah. Do we have dishwashing liquid?
Yeah. I bought. Didn't you see the big green thing I bought ages ago? It's in the laundry. I refilled it up.
Oh.
20 left. Right, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I think we're good now.
How much you reckon the shopping gonna come to be?
About 100?
Yeah.
How much do you reckon?
110.
Okay.
110.
Yeah.
Let's see who gets closer.
My finger.
What happened to your finger? Be careful.
Cold water as well.
Thank you. Eh? Yeah, about that. Yeah, good idea.
Yes, it makes you happy.
It's ready to
From out of the sky, tacos. Don't need to know why. Just open your eyes.
close your eyes.
Ah,
It's ready taco. Yummy, yummy, yum. It's sweet. Yummy, yum, yummy, yum. They're sweet.
it's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. Don't need to ask why. Tacos. Tacos out of the sky. It's raining tacos.
Yum, yum, yummy,
So everybody open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos.
yum, yum, yummy, yum. That's so sweet. Yum.
Just a bit of food here and there, you know, stock up the food pantry.
Guys, so the shopping came to $147 total.
So Babe was right.
Yeah, after the update of when you went back for some stuff, because first you said 100 and what? Oh yeah, first you said 100 and then I said 110, and then after when you get the rice and stuff, I said 140, and you said like what, 130?
130.
Yeah.
So I was $20 short.
Yeah, so it came. I'll call it say almost 150. You know, 147.
You know, that just gave me an idea. We could both go in, just say, $20 each one day at the shopping centre, and then we just buy whatever's worth $20.
Yeah.
Like, what can $20 get you in Australia?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, good video idea.
that's a great video idea, actually. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining.